known that person that try to outsound they fart by trying to talk loud.
Well, what's going on with the son?
Nothing, chilling.
Chilling? Yeah, same here, man. Like, shit, I'm just hanging out. You know what I'm talking about? Just trying to, get ready for this nice movement that we can do. So how was school today?
It was great. We had to take a test today.
Yeah? Oh, I'm talking about, man. Boy, I'm ready. Boy, I'm ready. So ready guy. Woo.
I know.
Gee.
It was a benchmark test and everything.
Benchmark test?
Tired? Yep.
Benchmark test? Ah.
Hey.
Whoa, man. Damn. I ain't know I had that.
I know. Dad, what was that?
What?
You farted.
I farted?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Dang.
You heard something or you smelled something?
I smelled something.
Must be in your upper lip, son.
No,
Wasn't
it
me.
wasn't my upper lip.
Wasn't me. Winter down.
Ooh. Dang.
What?
Man, you farted, man. Stank.
What?